Number 1. Bulls hate red. For your information, bulls are colorblind. They actually perceive the motions of the bullfighter's cloth as a threat. Number 2. Your hair and nails keep growing after death. And that's wrong. But your skin tissue does recede, making them appear longer. Number 3. Adam and Eve ate an apple. They ate the forbidden fruit of the tree of knowledge. Nowhere in Genesis does it say it was an apple. Number 4. Everest is the tallest mountain, only above sea level. If you measure Hawaii's Mauna Kea volcano from its underwater base, it stands more than 33,000 feet tall, 4,000 above Everest. Number 5. Black holes. Not really holes, but rather hugely dense objects with massive gravitational pull. Number 6. Great Wall of China. It's not visible from space. No single human structure is visible from orbit, but you can see cities at night. Number 7. Don't eat and swim. This doesn't increase the risk of cramps. Alcohol is the biggest risk increaser, but a full stomach will make you short of breath.